Time is not neutral. This is one of the most misunderstood ideas in modern civilization. We speak about climate change, planetary stress, and collapse as if time is a buffer, as if waiting is harmless. It is not. In complex systems, delay is an active force. Every year of inaction compounds instability. Feedback loops do not pause while debates continue. Thresholds do not wait for consensus. Nonlinear systems do not degrade gradually. They snap. Planetary cycle theory shows that systems remain stable until they suddenly are not. This is why historical collapses appear abrupt in hindsight. Rome did not fall slowly. It reached a tipping point. Civilizations rarely recognize the moment they pass it. Delay creates false confidence. Technology becomes a promise instead of a tool. Future solutions replace present action. We say carbon capture will fix this. Fusion will arrive. AI will optimize everything. But technology introduced after instability accelerates tends to be absorbed by crisis management, not prevention. Time magnifies damage faster than innovation scales. This is why timing matters more than brilliance. A solution applied early reshapes trajectories. The same solution applied late becomes triage. Delay also erodes coordination. As system stress increases, trust decreases. Cooperation fractures. Resources are redirected to defense instead of repair. This is why collapse cascades. Planetary restoration must precede desperation. Waiting for certainty guarantees failure, because certainty only arrives after thresholds are crossed. Earth does not announce deadlines, it enforces them. Understanding time as an active variable, not a neutral backdrop, is the first step toward intelligent intervention. In the next episode, we will examine why economic systems are structurally incapable of responding to planetary risk without redesign, and why markets alone cannot save civilization.